Hi friends, my name is Kiran. So I joined Emblix Academy in Kukatpalli, KPHP colony. So previously my experience వచ్చేసి now I'm working as a professional in dental industry. So I had already experienced like 5 years. సో నేను డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నాను అంటే బికాస్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీటెడ్ మై ఎంబీఏ ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ మార్కెట్ ఇండస్ట్రీ సిన్స్ 5 years. So my plan is like I want to grow in my digital marketing career as well as what I'm doing in my field. So why the so many doctors has asked me about what is digital marketing, like these type of things they ask me. So as a MBA student, I understood that there is a chance to grow in my career with digital marketing as a professional as well as I want to grow in my freelancer. Because why I'm talking about freelancer, because nowadays every person need like two types of different jobs. So based on that I choose my digital market career. So apart from that I had experience with whatever they taught me in Emblix Academy, like Chaitanya sir and as well as Shravan sir. They supported mostly like practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge. So like that we have like different course pattern they are given. So based on that my experience, what I thought previously I had a experience some with academy, like I already learned digital marketing, but they taught me like basic things, everything like that. So now in this Emblix Academy, like they told me like different patterns as well as the practical as well as theoretical. So in digital marketing models they covered email marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, and Google ads and Facebook ads and Instagram ads and Twitter, everything they covered, and with practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge. And mostly I am happy with that. Whatever we are facing in practical when we are doing the jobs or when you are doing any freelancer, we got like extra knowledge, like real time experience. They taught me very well, and what we expected from Emblix Academy, like Mr. Chaitanya sir, Mr. Shravan sir, they supported very well. And moreover we understood that Emblix Academy is the best for the digital marketing who want to be a digital marketer in the future. Thank you.